everybody, and welcome back to another Miss Isabel Eats. And today I have a question for you. So my question is, do you think that pizza can actually be healthy for you? The answer is yes. Yes, it totally can. So this week is National Pizza Bake Week. And what's really cool about that is when you are making your own homemade pizza at home, you are in control as to what goes on your pizza and how much of what goes onto your pizza, which can include really good for you, wholesome ingredients. You can even make a pizza that includes all of the 5 food groups. If you start out with a whole grain crust and then you add on some sauce and any other type of vegetables that you want, so peppers and onions and mushrooms, whatever you like, you got 2 food groups there so far. Then if you add on fruit like pineapple or even drink a glass of 100% orange juice with your pizza, you got your food groups there. Then add on some cheese, you got a dairy group covered, and then finally, if you add on a little bit of lean protein like some ham, you got all 5 food groups: fruits, vegetables, grains, protein, and dairy foods. You can even top off your pizza with a healthy fat like some chopped olives or a drizzle of olive oil. There you have it, a healthy, delicious, and totally good for you pizza. If you need some more inspiration on great pizza recipes, check out the recipe we added below. And I would really like to know, what would you add to your pizza? Drop a comment below. I'll see you next time. Bye.